Oh, good morning, baby Nitro. Hi. Oh, you look very relaxed, don't ya? Ma-aura na eh. Parang nagmamodel. Oh, that's a little smile, isn't it? Yeah, there's a smile for Dandy.
Hi, baby. Hello, good morning, baby. It's me and my mommy. Hi. Who's that baby? A baby so chubby and so happy.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
Mabuhay Pilipinas!
Sure, nagulat din siya. Akala ko picture.
What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back to isa pang Dwanta Vlog ngayong araw! It is morning time. It is mga 6 a.m. na. So, itong gandang oras na to, itong time na pinakamasaya si Bebe. Lagi siyang ngumingiti, di ba, Bebe?
Hey, di ba, baby? Yeah, you always smile, baby. Ano? Except ngayon, ayaw mo pala, no?
Hi, baby. What's that, baby?
Wala, dead ma.
Hi, baby. Hello, baby Nitro. Are you full? Are you sleepy? You are sleepy. You smile when
Yes. Still a bit sleepy. So Nitro is getting very strong now. Tingnan nyo. I can hold him like this.
Bruja.
And he's fine. I don't need to support his neck masyado. Because he's strong na. Because malapit na siya mag 3 months. He'll be 3 months in what? 1 week?
Ayusin muna natin yung mukha natin. Kasi hindi pa ako naliligo.
Pagkigising
Sige,
lang namin eh.
nakaayos na.
Nakaayos ako ng
Picture tayo,
buhok pa lang.
tatlo. Picture muna. tayo.
Picture, okay, ready? Yeah guys, so sa vlog na to, we're gonna show you some of the milestones ni Nitro. So, di ba, yun yung isa. Like, malakas na yung leeg niya. Di ba, babe? Malakas na. See?
Uy, dahan-dahan.
Malakas na.
Takot.
And then we're gonna do something extra special, which is tummy time. We put him on his tummy, and he lifts himself up. Hey,
Parang
baby.
nahihirapan siya sa bed kasi yung bed parang, dapat di ba sa floor siya?
Oh, sa floor.
Like, lagyan lang
Ang
natin
dumi-dumi ng floor.
Oh, hindi madumi yan, tayo lang nakatira dito.
Alright guys, we're gonna get started with our Dwanta intro, and then we are going to show you the baby's tummy time. Alright, here we go. You're beautiful. Shine like Shanta.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
First, we're gonna take baby out of his sleep sack. Aren't we, baby? Yes, yes, we are. Yes, we are, baby. Yes, we're gonna take the sleep sack off now, ready? Yeah, there we go. Oh, there we go. So, sabi ni Doktora, dapat magta-tummy time siya hanggang iiyak na siya.
Ay, wait!
Huh?
Kumain siya, baka magsuka.
So, wait, hindi pwede mag-tummy time?
Kasi susuka siya? Ewan ko, gusto mo i-try lang? Mag-tummy time? Can you move?
You want the tummy time, baby? Huh? You want the tummy time? Yeah?
Lagot ka kay doktora. Sige nga.
Alright, we're gonna try tummy time, okay? And if you suka... Sumuka! Ibig sabihin, hindi pa pwede.
Oh my gosh,
Baby,
sinukaan mo yung bed.
Oh, ganito na din. There we go. There we go. Gotcha.
Sabi ko eh.
So, I'm gonna keep him upright for 20 minutes muna. And then we'll do tummy time.
Sige.
Para magbababa na ang gatas. Di ba, baby?
Baby, can I see your eyes? I love your eyes. Like mommy's.
Basta morning masaya siya, no? It's his favorite time of the day. Di ba, baby?
Yung braso niya. May dimples.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
Hi guys! Patalastas lang po. Kuya mo. Patalastas lang po. Punta po kayo sa channel ko. Nag-plug po ako ng channel ko. Shameless plugging. Punta po kayo sa channel ko. May bago po akong bago. May bago po akong bagong video. Ayan. Kami ni Nitro. O, diba? Ayan. Punta na kayo sa channel ko, Shanta Woolley. At punta na kayo at maging pabebe tayo. Because happiness is happiness. Char! Bye! Baby! Hello!
You're so cute, no? You're such
Siyempre,
a
anak mo yan.
nakakagigil na baby.
Hello,
Yes, you are.
baby.
Gigil na baby. Hello, say hello. Hello. Oh, the baby is so cute.
Gusto ko yung tiyan niya.
Oh, he's got a
Nakaupo.
buyay.
May buyay ka man. Hi! Hi, baby!
Oh,
Hello!
hello.
Naka-gray ka din gaya ni Mami, no? Yes, same tayo naka-gray.
This is what I used to do with my little sister, Hallie, when she was a baby. I would sit her on my lap like this, because 15 years yung agwat namin ni Hallie. So I would sit her on my lap like this, and I would play drums with her like this. Go.
Mukha ni Nitro.
Is that fun?
Oh, are
baby?
you going to
Like playing
achieve?
the drums?
Yan, maglalaro ako ng Fortnite. Joke lang. Ako maglalaro, sige na.
Ah, sige nga.
Kasi parati si Dwaine naglalaro, kaya ngayon, ako ang maglalaro
Si Mami
ng
siya
Fortnite.
ang maglalaro.
Sige, lalagay ko to dito sa stand, tapos manood kayo sa akin, maglalaro ako.
Okay, baby. It's tummy time. Daddy's gonna do tummy time with you. I'm gonna move you up here. And we're gonna roll you over like this. Ready? Roll over, roll over. 3, 2,
Susuka
1.
niya.
Woo! Whoop, 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 whoop. That's it. Now, can you lift your head up, baby? Uy, uy, uy,
Ay,
uy.
baka hindi
There we
makingayon.
go. Oh, there we go. Good boy.
Yeah,
Good boy.
very
Very good.
good.
See, Daddy's doing it too. Yeah. Yeah, we're doing tummy time.
Mommy's
We're doing
here.
tummy time. Yes,
Hi,
we are.
Mommy's here.
Yes, we. Oh,
Oh, oh, oh, oh, oh.
Losing
Hi,
control. Losing
Mommy's
control.
here. Hi, baby.
Oh.
Hi, baby. You have your... Oh.
Oh, baby. Oh, your face plant in the couch. In the bed.
Nitro!
Hey, baby.
Nitro!
Bebe.
Hi, Nitro! Anong ginagawa mo? Kinakain niya yung kamay niya.
Talaga. He's relaxing
Hey,
lang
bebe.
pala eh.
Stop relaxing and work! work, baby!
He's just comfortable there, isn't he?
Yeah.
Oh, you're kinakain mo na.
Na-stress
Oy.
ata siya kaya naggaganyan. Oh, come on, baby!
Baby. Oh, that's better.
Ooh.
That's better, isn't it? Hey, that's better.
Hi, Nitro!
Oh, face plant.
Milk factory is here! Baby, come here! Baby.
That's it, baby.
Nitro!
Yeah, lift your head up like
Nitro,
that.
come here.
There you go.
Come here. Look here. La 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 la.
Don't put him to sleep. Don't want him to fall asleep like
Hey,
that.
baby. Hey, baby.
Oh, here we go. We've got some toys for you.
Hi, Nitro.
What's that, baby? Huh? What's that? Hey? What's that? Can you hear that noise, baby? Huh? Ooh. Ooh.
Matagal yung ano niya kanina,
Oo nga eh. Parang pagod na siya. Pagod na si baby ano. Yeah, pagod na. Tutulog ka na. Matutulog ka na dyan. You're just self-soothing, aren't you? You're just self-soothing. Yeah.
Baby, up. Sige, kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan.
Kami yan, baby.
Go, baby, you can do it, baby. Yay, you can do it. Come on. Yeah, hey, come on. Push it, push. Push, push up, push up. Ay, nagsuka na. Yun na. Hala, he's eating his suka. Wait.
Oh, you okay, baby? How was that? You
Tingnan mo
tired?
yung mukha niya.
Are you tired now from doing tummy time, huh? Are you tired?
Wait, pupunasan ko. Okay.
Alam nyo, nagulat ako one morning. Gumising ako. Tapos, parang sinisipan niya yung legs niya sa taas, sa hangin, ganon. And then he went like this. He rolled over. I was like, ow! So ngayon, delikado na siya kung nahigda siya sa bed na walang rails. Kasi baka he'll roll over off the bed, di ba?
Kasi dati linalagay lang namin siya sa gilid dyan. Kasi hindi naman siya nag-roll. Pero ngayon kasi nagsistart na siyang mag-roll, kaya ano na, ingat na.
Alright guys, so eto na po ang katapusan ng ating vlog for today. So maraming salamat sa panonood. We really appreciate all you guys' comments. Yeah, and here's some cute bebes people have been sending us on Facebook. When we upload a video, people send us pictures of their bebes.
Girlfriend daw ni Nitro.
Yeah, so have a look.
I said it before and I'll say it again.
Shine so bright like the morning sun.
I really, really wanna walk you down the aisle. Put a ring on you. What you say I do.
Let me love you. So thank you guys for commenting. Thank you for showing your love and support.
Malilit
Wala,
na.
sumuka na siya. Sumuka. Sumuka ang bebe.
Bakit milestone ba yan?
Alright guys, we will see you sa sunod video ng Dwanta. Okay,
Bye for now.
bye for now.
Everything to me if you let me love you.
Takbo, jump, B to jump. Press B to jump. B to jump. B to jump. Kainis ka.
Hindi ko makita yung B.
Is that funny, baby? Is mommy funny? Yeah, mommy is a palpak. Yeah.